Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming the S23 Ultra is unlocked and updated so carriers provision correctly. Power down the phone, then eject the SIM tray. Note which slot is SIM1. Insert the physical nano SIM carefully and reseat the tray. Once done, boot the phone. If you already have an eSIM plan, make sure you have the activation code or carrier QR ready. This immediate action gets the hardware in place and prepares you for the digital setup next. You now add the eSIM via Settings Connections SIM Card Manager. Tap Add Mobile Plan and scan the carrier QR or enter the activation code they gave you. Once the eSIM downloads, label each number, primary, work, or travel, to avoid confusion. Then set your preferences. Choose the default line for mobile data and pick which line to use for calls or SMS. You can change this per contact. Make sure to test a quick call and data session to confirm the activation succeeded. You finish by mastering daily dual SIM handling. Swipe down to Quick Settings or open SIM Card Manager to switch the active data line instantly. This helps when traveling. For predictable behavior, edit contacts and assign a default line per contact so outgoing calls always use the right number. Finally, if one line loses service, toggle airplane mode briefly or manually select the carrier in network operators. This usually forces a reconnect. If issues persist, contact the carrier.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.